Hello guys, today we're going to change this handbrake wire for the left side on this Toyota Corolla, and we're also going to adjust the handbrake wires so they are equal on each wheel. Should be a nice job. We need to remove the caliper to remove the brake disc. So yeah. Here we have it, adjusted. So we need to remove this one because the wire is coming in here. So both brake shoes need to be removed. To get access to the wire, you need to remove this exhaust and this heat shield. And to do that, we just remove all the rubber suspensions and just let the exhaust hang down. The same up here and here. Okay, suspension is loose here, and of course up here, and both here and here. Then it's just a matter of removing 3 screws for the heat shield, 2 in the back and 1 up in the front. And here we go. 1 heat shield. Then we get access to the handbrake wires. We have already loosened this one. Here is for the right side, this is for the left. So now it's just a matter of loosening all these fasteners and in here. Now we have removed this and this and this. It's just one left. It's on this place. And here we go. And this is also holding the ABS at the same time. Alright. Closing in. Okay, then we have removed the brake shoes as good as we could. Then we need to squeeze together this lock, and then it's just to remove the wire. Here's the wire going to insert it. Ska jag pröva? Där? Ha! Fantastic! And here we go! And here, the wire is loose. Just take it away. And then we're checking the length with a new one. And it's the same. Yes, looks like to be exactly the same. Fantastic! Så. Nej då, det är rätt. Snaps in place with these locking tabs. Then we just need to insert this one over here. Okay. Hvorfor ikke starte? Then the wire is back in place. And we just need to reassemble the whole thing. Okay, then we have put the wire in place. Here everything is okay. We have put it in the hole. Now it's just a matter of making it fastened to this one. And then it's just the adjusting piece left. This screw needs to be slackened almost all the way to the top, because the arm, which are inside here, if you can see this, but this arm is supposed to be further out. If you pull the handbrake, you can see it will touch, stop there, it will touch this spindle piece. Release. So this arm needs to be much more back. That's why we need to adjust it to the maximum position to start with. And here we are. He is adjusting this to the maximum, and we take a look at the arm. Okay, now we have a slackened handbrake wire, so it is perfect. The arm is now all the way back, and when you push it one step, you can barely see it moving. That is the correct position. So now we will install the brake drums, discs, and then adjust it with a little one, a little dark here, but there you have it. This is the correct adjuster to adjust the handbrake, so it's tight and nice. Okay guys, that was a job well done. Car is assembled and everything is tested, and it was excellent. So it was an easy job to change the handbrake wire.